everyone, and welcome to Mental Health Awareness Week, and it's all about nature. Yay! Presented by HeadStart Self-Tease. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about how the environment and connecting with nature helps your mental health. Like physical health, we make sure that we keep our bodies fit and healthy to do the things we enjoy. With mental health, it's how we think, feel, and how we react to certain situations. Some days we can feel really happy. Other days we can feel really sad. Or we can feel all mixed up. Or sometimes we may say, hey, what's with the long face? Or other days you can feel quite angry. It is important to recognise these feelings and emotions, and also being able to talk to someone always helps. So how does the environment and connecting with nature help our mental health? Well, let's find out from our HeadStart team and see what activities they like to do and enjoy, and why it makes their emotional well-being feel really good and positive. Yay!
Spending time in green spaces or in your garden is great for your well-being. Just being out in nature can have real benefits on your mental health or your physical health. It can really improve your mood just by paying attention to what's going on around you, and just being present and in the moment is a great way of being mindful. Listening to the birds in the trees, or looking for squirrels, or looking for other wildlife around. It can just help you relax, can make your thoughts and your feelings and just your whole body relax a bit more. Be mindful, and just it really lifts your spirits. It helps you understand yourself a little bit better as well. You can take time out, and just it can improve your confidence and your self-esteem. Just listening to the birds in the trees.
I love being in the garden. It's really nice to listen to all the different sounds that you can hear, such as the birds, bees, the wind, the trees rustling about. It's amazing. Nature's absolutely so good, and I just love to see what the rest of the HeadStart team like to engage in being outdoors. Yeah!
Wow, that looked great! All those activities, I'd love to do them, but I'm a potato! So I give them loads of energy to do all those activities, because I give them carbohydrates, which is class, which gives them slow release and energy throughout the day, so they can go faster and faster. Yeah!
Oh, how you doing? Yeah, great. Yeah, thank you. I'm great, thank you. Yeah, excellent. Well, I like to go to different places, and I love nature. I am nature. Yeah, well, I live by like rivers and ponds and streams, and nowhere near water really. But yeah, I fly really fast as well, like 30 miles an hour. So yeah, I like to visit loads of places. And around here, there's a lot of places I like to go to. So why don't we see where the HeadStart team go next? Wow everybody, thank you for joining us. It's been fantastic to talk to you about nature and the environment and how it helps our emotional well-being and our mental health. We are so lucky to have these amazing places so close to us and to go out there and connect with nature. Go out there this week and do it yourselves. Yeah!